What's up guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge with Science, and today let's talk about astronomy. Do you know neutron stars? Yeah, these stars have only neutrons, no protons or electrons. But how is it possible? Where does the protons or electrons go? To understand this, first you have to understand what is a neutron star and how is it formed. Although I have a video made on black holes in which I have explained how neutron stars are formed, and I suggest you to click the link in the description and watch that video after this video. Still, I'll explain this in brief. When a star dies, it collapses itself under its own gravity. This can only happen with stars which have way more mass than our own sun. This results in a neutron star. But if the star is big enough to have 25 times the mass of our sun, which is really huge, it turns into a black hole. If you want to know how and why all this happens, click the link in the description and watch that video after this one. I have explained in detail. But for now, let's jump on the point. Why does the neutron star have only neutrons? As every atom have protons, neutrons and electrons. Also, it has same number of protons and electrons. Neutrons number can vary, or same number of plus VE and minus VE, and neutrons, which are neutral, can vary. While the formation of neutron stars, a star compresses under its own gravity as its protons and electrons overlap each other. But I know what some of you will say. Protons and electrons never overlap each other. You're right, but in the case of neutron stars, the pressure is so much that they do overlap each other. This results in the formation of neutrons. But if you still have not understood this, let me give you an example. Look at this, I have three liquid substances right here. One of them is an acid with pH 6. One of them is neutral with pH 7. And one of them is a base with pH 8. So first I'll keep this neutral liquid aside. Now I'll mix this acid with the base and tell me, what should be its pH? You're thinking right, it should be 7, which is neutral. In the same way, the protons and electrons combine due to the pressure and become neutrons, which are neutral. The base and the acid gave us neutral, but we also had the neutral one. Look at this, these both cups have substance which are neutral. In the same way, the neutrons which are already there in the atom get added to these newly formed neutrons. So these electrons and protons don't go anywhere, make more neutrons. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe. It motivates me to make more such videos. You'll get a notification as I'll upload my new video. It's free, but it means me a lot. See you later.